Egypt is in northeast Africa. It is almost double the size of France and has an area of 386,662 square miles. In ancient times, it shared borders with Syria, Israel, Nubia, and Libya. To the north is the Mediterranean Sea, and to the east lies the Red Sea. Ancient Egyptians divided the land into two kingdoms, the Upper Kingdom and the Lower Kingdom, Upper Egypt and Lower Egypt. Upper Egypt was actually to the south, and Lower Egypt was to the north, so don't let this catch you out. The river Nile cuts down the middle of Egypt. In the south, it often flows quickly, and the riverbed is littered with boulders and sharp stones. These parts of the river are called whitewater rapids. In Upper Egypt, the Nile splits into 7 branches called distributaries and flows into the Mediterranean Sea. No one knows if these distributaries are man-made or naturally occurring. The area around these distributaries is called the Nile Delta. The soil there is extremely fertile. Ancient Egyptians called this type of land Kemet, black land. The other type of land was the hot, sandy, inhospitable desert land called Deshret, red land. Egypt's climate is mostly very dry. In the north, along the Mediterranean coast, temperatures can be cooler and there is more rainfall. Sandstorms occur each year between March and May, and the weather in the desert regions becomes dangerously hot and dry.